Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the device is updated and online. This prevents sync errors. Once signed into your Apple ID, navigate to Settings or System Settings and tap your name to access iCloud controls. Make sure you can unlock the device with your passcode and that recovery contact details are current. You'll change the displayed iCloud name in account settings, so having the exact new name ready speeds things up and reduces mistakes. Now you edit the name itself. Open your Apple ID profile and choose Name, Phone, Email, then tap Edit next to the name field. You'll enter first and last names exactly as you want them to appear. Capitalization and spacing carry through to contacts and shared files. Once you tap Save, iCloud begins propagating changes to all devices. Make sure other devices are online. If one is offline, it will update when it reconnects, so give it a few minutes for everything to sync. Finish by checking Messages, FaceTime, Contacts, and iCloud. To confirm the new name displays everywhere. If you don't see the change, sign out of iCloud on the affected device and sign back in, or restart the device to force a refresh. Make sure your OS is up to date and check Apple system status for outages. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your Apple ID details so they can investigate account-level delays or conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.